creating a stable environment for bilateral trade, a goal shared by both China and the EU. Premier Li Keqiang delivered a keynote speech at the business summit. He said China values peace above all, and China's will to solve the problem of steel overcapacity is resolute and the measures are effective.
First of all, we need to have peace and stability. Peace is the basis for development. There are a lot of instabilities and conflicts around the world. We suggest that countries involved in the conflicts solve the problems peacefully and constructively with negotiations. China will continue to maintain and contribute to global and regional safety. We need to deepen trade cooperation. The China and EU economies are complementary, and if we further open up our markets, our trade ties will reach a new level. China does not seek a trade surplus with the EU and is looking for more inputs of mid to high-end products from the EU. We wish that the EU will reduce restrictions on Chinese exports and eliminate trade protectionism. Regarding the steel overcapacity issue, we do not encourage steel exports as it heavily pollutes our environment. We will reduce another 100 to 150 million tonnes of steel production and 800 million tonnes of coal production in the next 3 years.
The EU has become China's biggest trading partner, and China is EU's second largest trading partner after the United States. Both the European side urged Beijing to speed up reform and give European companies the same kind of market access that Chinese companies enjoy in Europe.
We all know that reform is never easy. Reform asks for patience and determination. I know that progress has been made, but in some areas progress is slower or too slow, such as the reform of state-owned companies and the opening up of the capital of Chinese companies to European companies, especially in the service and investment sectors.
Li Keqiang said that China does not use subsidies to give its industries a competitive edge, and he urged the EU to eliminate protectionism and emphasize the importance of opening up on both sides to increase bilateral investment. Both China and EU advocate free trade and mutual benefit. China is increasing its investment in the EU, and the world's two important economies are working together to promote economic structural reform. Su Yuting, CCTV, Beijing.